ठीक।
Hey all, I'm here to share my recovery journey of OCD with the emotion of life. I've struggled with the symptoms of OCD, mainly intrusive thoughts, for around 2 years before I decided to help myself out of this problem. I took help of a psychologist during those 2 years and I've learned to manage the day to day while going through the thoughts, but never felt relieved. On the New Year Eve of 2025, I promised myself I will help my mind move past this disorder. I Googled to find therapists who can help without medicine and offer CBT for improving my thought patterns. I came across the Emotion of Life website, and I'm really impressed by the amount of information the website has, which showed their experience and expertise. Their principle looked simple with no medicine, just talk therapy and 100% recovery in 6 months. I did not second guess one bit and decided to take their consultation the same night. The lead therapist Sham Gupta and Pratibha Gupta have themselves attended the consultation, even though it was very late and unplanned right before New Year. I shared with them my journey to OCD, how I have been struggling with it, and what I'm looking forward to learning from them. They have diagnosed my subtypes of OCD right after the call, and I began my journey with them on the 1st of January 2026. It's been 6 months now since I started this journey, and if I look back and see what happened, it's just a miracle. I can confidently say I'm 100% recovered from OCD, and my thought patterns have been positively strengthened that OCD will no more impact me. Uh, I can highlight about the lead therapist Sham sir and how he approaches this. I think he is the key player in this recovery journey. He exactly knows how to deal with each subtype, each personality, and his guidance has always been right. I initially did not know what to expect. I cannot imagine how the journey would go, whether I would be fully recovered or not when I began this journey. I just believed in him and the process. I have kept an open mind and patiently waited all along while embracing my progress throughout. I also understood how human minds work and psychology to an extent that helped me to remain centered while the journey progressed towards recovery. The 3 day journey in Agra on site has given me a perspective of how easy and lively life can be while traveling with Sir and realize the essence of life is just to be happy and celebrating. When my underlying questions and suffering have been addressed, my mind automatically stopped producing intrusive thoughts. There is a lot more peace and content in me, and I have rediscovered myself from where I was before this OCD. It wouldn't be possible without Emotion of Life and Sham Gupta 100%. And this journey didn't just belong to me, but also Sir in every way. He truly considers his clients part of his family, and his aspirations to grow this organization as a larger access to care is just commendable. He is truly working towards building great communities where a sense of purpose is reinstated strongly and it brings clarity in life. I do truly recommend this journey with the Emotion of Life if you think you may be suffering from OCD. And thank you.